questions about? The first one is asking, is this a function? So kind of going back to like repeating x values, vertical line tests, all those type things. Each of these are your x values. Each of these are your y values. When you see the arrow going from the x to the y, it can only go to one thing. So this goes to one thing, this goes to one thing, the 2 goes to one thing, the 4 goes to one thing. If any of the x values went to more than one thing, so like it had 2 arrows coming from it, then it would not be a function. But that's not the case here, so this is a function. There are questions?
Question number
3. So for this one, this is kind of like the domain stuff we were talking about, but because this is a bunch of ordered pairs, it's going to be a set of numbers instead of what we were doing before. So domain is going to be all of your x values listed least to greatest. So -1, 0, 2, 3, 5. And when you list them out, there are no repeats. So if you happen to have the same x value twice, you just put it once. There are questions on the shortcut? Those of you that need to finish a test, that is what you are doing first, so you guys can go ahead and put your phone up. And then if you need to do retake work, you can be working on that. Remember that today is the last day to do retake work, turn in missing work, finish tests, do tests, and get all of that done. So if you don't get it done today or don't come after school tomorrow, your grade will stay as is. Keep that in mind. So I'll pass out retake work. Those of you who need to take your tests, put your phones up and you'll get that. And then if you're missing Khan Academy, you can be working on that. Otherwise, if you need something else to do, I'll put some different stuff that we've been talking about, learning about, / stuff from last unit that you could be working on as well. Questions on what you're doing today? So if you need to be working, you should not be on your phone. You should be working. Today